wherein in the distant night I hear Christmas bells. The gentle snow keeps falling down on people who are homeward bound. That's the way it's always been. The circle never really ends. Christmas seems to come and go. Home's a place that I don't know. Holly leaves and Christmas tree, it's that time of year. Lights aglow and mistletoe don't mean a thing when you're not here. And as I walk this lonely street, the sound of snow beneath my feet, I'll think of how it used to be when holly leaves and Christmas trees used to mean so much to me.